that the community here at Eisenhower has been the special part that has really touched me and my family's lives. We have gained friends for years just by going to the different events that Eisenhower has. Our students being together from kindergarten all the way up until 5th grade has really gave our family a sense of community. And I feel like Eisenhower is great at building community and legacy that kids and families can carry throughout their entire lives.
Eisenhower International School in Tulsa, Oklahoma is creating responsible, global citizens through language immersion and international exchanges. Eisenhower students become fluent in Spanish or French between kinder and 5th grade. Bilingualism increases brain cognition by utilizing the highest levels of thinking, focus, and awareness. Bilingual children who are educated in their second language often outperform single language children in their native language. EIS teachers in immersion classrooms are either native speakers of the target language or demonstrate near native proficiency. During their last year at Eisenhower, select students participate in an exchange program with schools in Spain, Costa Rica, and France as part of collaborative work with Tulsa's Sister Cities organization. When you give to Eisenhower International School, your donation supports our Amity interns from Spain and France, field trips, our trilingual library, teacher funds, enrichment opportunities, and so much more, like shark dissection. Your donation enriches the learning of the precious children of Tulsa who will shape tomorrow.
The things that Eisenhower does differently outside of the immersion program that are special are too many to count. I worked in public schools before I had children, and Eisenhower is special. Eisenhower is unique. The involvement of the parents in the school is unprecedented. The Parent-Teacher Association does fundraisers, is involved in so many other aspects, and with the funds that they raise, there are numerous enrichment activities for the kids in all grade levels, from going on extra field trips and having the buses provided for that, to bringing in things like shark dissection. We have a life lab, and the teachers can go and schedule time to go into the life lab and have their lessons in this nature setting. We're a monarch way station. It's incredible that things that Eisenhower does that go above and beyond what any other public school in the area is doing.